back at Wendy's, trying the breakfast again. This time I got the number 9. It's the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. And then I got the seasoned potatoes and the chocolate frosty chino with it. This should be good. And the line's moving a lot faster than it was the last time I was here. I'm already next in line and I got here 3 minutes ago. Okay, got my food. Put my straw in my drink. So this is the chocolate frosty chino. That is good. I think I actually like this one more than the vanilla one. It tastes just like a frosty. That is really good. Okay. Moving on to fries. Oh, and they're fresh. See, I knew they just needed a second chance. Today it's way better. I'm so hungry. Little sandwich. This is the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Cheese. Got our egg, and we got a lot of bacon right there. Ooh. Got about 3 to 4 slices. You can see like the steam coming off of it. And since I have nowhere to be after this, going to the mall, but they don't open up till 11 o'clock. I'm sorry, they don't open up till 12. It's 10:30. I got time to kill, so I got time to eat all my breakfast and relax. Get a little ketchup. I'm sitting in my car, obviously, and I feel like every time I think I see something or hear something, I look out the window. Very hot. But they're so good. See all the little seasonings on there. Yum. To me, these are better than their regular fries. A little grape jelly for my sandwich. The bread on this sandwich is really good. I think I prefer the croissant because it was just so buttery and flaky, but this is good too. Jelly. Breakfast sandwiches, or breakfast food in general, I think is just my favorite. I just never get up early enough to eat it. I should have got an orange juice. That'd be really good. I love breakfast food with orange juice. It's just like chocolate milk with a little bit of coffee in it. I should have asked for easy ice, because the one I had yesterday, and when I got down to the bottom, the ice had melted so much, it was disgusting. I couldn't even finish it, which is upsetting because it was really good at first. Here's an SOS button on my roof, and I hope I didn't just hit it. I can't tell though. Egg is so good. American cheese is probably, I know, so bad for you or processed, but sometimes it on a sandwich just really just takes it there. Got a couple more potatoes left. And there's some more time to kill. I think I'll go to Target. Oh no, I don't need to go to Target. I need to go back to Ulta, maybe. I have 20 minutes till TJ Maxx and everything opens, and then I have an hour and 20 minutes until the mall opens. And I wanted to go and get this all out the way. All my running around done today. That way tomorrow I could stay home, and later on today I can stay home. I also want to go to DSW and get some boots. I have to see what time they open. Last one, and it's stuck together. I'm trying to drink as much as this is possible before the ice starts to melt. Maybe I'll scoop some of the ice out. Ooh, and I got a spoon. I can scoop it out. Okay. Here's the graveyard, all done. Clean up this trash and get started with my day. Taco Bell has some new stuff. Might swing by there later on before I go in the house and grab something. We'll see. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.